Hello, my partners. I'm Leonardo. Leonardo. I live in the municipality of Soacha, a few minutes from Bogota. This municipality is cool weather belongs on the Seminole of Bogota where livestock, agriculture and chemical industries are worked. I live with my 30 years old sister and my 5 years old niece. We have an apartment in the sixth floor. The apartment is white walls, white block doors. I like to live in this city because of the beautiful white it has and the people who are very nice. On weekends, I go for a walk with my family and our cat and Rocco dogs warm. I love this place. I am very happy next to my family.